Hi, you must have seen these cards in your notification panel where they are expanding and collapsing, and even they are scrolling. So let's learn how to create a card in Figma. First of all, we need this text as a heading. This is heading. Let's adjust its size first. Let's make it 40. Once it is done, we need a paragraph. This is the paragraph text for this card, right? We can change this one to bold, this one to regular is fine, this one can be 2, this one can be 4, its height, font weight can be 32. Now click on Shift A. So Shift A is actually the shortcut for layout, add auto layout. We need it to be inside an auto layout. Once we have this, now we need a rectangle. Its size can be, let's make it a square first. It can be 200 x 200. Let's give it some rounded corners. That is, that way is fine. Bring it here. Press Shift A again. And since we have this one, we can fill it with whatever color we like. Add some effects. Spread can be 15. So do you remember it's 32? Let's add some padding to it. The padding can be 32 itself. And so this one should be 64. 32 plus the padding, that is the outer corner. Now this is the card, this is the heading, and some more description. So since we want that this text should be inside this one, so we have to choose fill container here. Press enter to select the child. Now again fill container. Same for the text, fill container. So this will be the property. So for example, if I wanted to stick to the top, then we will select this card and click on this one. So this is one of the card. So I want to add the buttons as well here. So let me create some buttons as well. Dismiss and open. Shift A. Then let's choose this one to be 20. This got to be 16, and this one should be 32, and this one should be 00. So cut this one and paste it here, but this alignment should not be in the horizontal direction, it should be in the vertical direction now. This one should touch the borders. So first of all, it should be fill container. Another thing is we need a padding of 32 here. And since we need to divide it into 2, we have to click on fill container. Their gap can be 16 or something, right? So here the padding of this one should also be 32, and this one should be fill color. This one can be a primary color, for example this one. Primary color, and yeah, this one can be secondary color, just a stroke. So this one should be 6, this one should be 4, this one should be fill, and it can be bold. Let's make it a little bit darker. Actually it will go with the theme, so whatever the theme is, we will make it accordingly. Right. So this gap here, its padding should be a little bit different. So we added 32 here, right? We wanted 0 from here. So we wanted 0 from here, and the gap can be 0 as well, so that we can just stick it. Let's add some padding. Actually, this one top should be 16, and here as well 16. 16 is fine. Right. So this can be the card here. So if we increase or decrease the size of this card, this will automatically occupy the provided space. Right. So this is the card. Now let's play with the components. Now let us make 2 variations. So this one can be open state of the card. This one can be closed state of the card. So here I want to have it, its size can be 100, right, and this one can be in one line. This one should be in one line, fill and hard. So this one should be truncate, right, like this, and this one can be hidden, and this one should be it should be 16 by 16. The gap, the padding, this padding here, it should be 32 itself. Now yes, that's right, we need an arrow here, arrow pointer. Let's add a simple polygon here. Polygon can be of any size, 32 by 32. We can add a frame. So basically how you can add the frame, right click and create frame. So this is add auto layout. No, we don't need to add an auto layout. We need to add this thing, frame selection. Its size should be more than that, for example 64 by 64, right, and this one should be inside center of it, right, just cutting it down and adding it here. So this is top one. I think Shift A will be fine, so that we can fill the container, right, and this one can be pretty much in center here, right. So let's copy this one and paste it here, but this time this one should be like this one should be flipped from here, I'm flipping it from here, and this one should be on the top now, so that whenever someone clicks on it, and this one should be actually, let's make it 64 only, and this one should also be 64. I think this is the right way. So now we have two things. Click both of them and click on this create component set. So here let's prototype it. So let's prototype it. This one, once you click on this one, on click, it should change it to another one, and we can use smart animate here. Again here, on click, change to this one, close smart animate. Yes. So this is done. Now what we need to do, we will duplicate this one from here, this card, right? Duplicate few of them, just frame it, right? And this is first card, second card, third card, fourth card, fifth card, right? So we have these cards now. Its width is actually 753, but we need a frame that works as a phone. So we have this frame for whatever platform you are designing it. For example, I am designing it for a phone, so its width should be 1080 and height can be 1920. Actually the font sizes depend, so now I am choosing its height to be 2300 and width to be 1080, right? So this is a frame that I have, and I can simply create a component out of it, and this one can simply be copied and can be pasted here. Its width should be, let me do that as well, Shift A. Its gap from here, padding should be 20 by 20 and width should be 1080. Position it in center. Let me increase some cards, right? And this one should be, top aligned, and this frame should be fill container, right? This one should be fill container. And I think the size of the buttons is quite small, so we can increase their height. Let me increase their height. It should be somewhere around 96. And this one. Yep, they are looking good now. So I think I can just increase its space, just adding some more text. Okay, this is nice now. Let me make it a little bit darker. Alright. Here I don't need to add the fill here. Let me add something here, that is a rectangle. That should be 100 and 1920. Let me add an icon, a background for it. I think I need something colorful here. Yeah, this one is fine. Just adding it for the background, just like we have wallpapers, right? And then pasting it here, aligning it to 300. I've aligned it, and now it should be in the background here. Yes, and this complete should be clip content. This complete should be clip content, and this clip, this should be clip content. And now let's select this rectangle. Okay, so let's take this image and add an effect, that is layer blur to it. Layer blur. Yeah, and I think I changed the opacity of it. Layer blur 50. Nice. So I want to see these cards see through. So select them and have their fill to be at 90%. Yeah, I think this is fine. Distance should be a little bit medium. Right. Now if I click on play, oh, I left one thing, that is the scrolling of these elements. So I need to go to this prototype here, and here I need to choose vertical scrolling, and okay, this is, I need it to be fit, width and height. Okay, right. So yeah, it's changing its size. Let me do one more thing here. Let me convert all these cards to this state, right? And let's copy and paste a few more cards here. Let me add some images here. Plug in Unsplash, zoom with them. I think add some animals here. I like the animals. Yeah. Kingfisher, fish. Yeah, this is cool. And this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Yeah, this one. And this guy. Let me close this. So we have multiple cards. I don't like this. Maybe let's try something less vibrant. We need to go to Unsplash again. I think let's choose something less colorful. Yeah, this one is fine. Okay, we can add some drop shadow. Drop shadow is there, but let's increase the size to 25. This one to 50. This one to 15. Once that is done, yeah, I think this should work. So did we add this vertical? Why it will not work? I'm scrolling to work on the stream, the content needs to be bigger than other. Oh, so here we can have it in fixed height, that is 2300. This should be there and the alignment should be in center. Now it should work. Actually, this frame should not be there. It should be another one, that is Ctrl+G and converting it into a regular frame, and I'm removing it from there by pressing Shift Ctrl+G or Shift Command+G. And now we need to add this thing here, scroll with parent, vertical. Yes, it should work now. So if I'm playing this, yes, this is working now. So if I click on this one, it will simply expand it, and if I click on any other one, so if we want that others should hide, we have to do some advanced prototyping. We're not going into it. So now the cards are functional here. I think that's all. So thank you for watching this complete tutorial how to make a card using Figma. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And this is Minjan Singh. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Have a great day.